Hey guys, welcome back to Beboom Kitchen. Today we are making this beautiful marshmallow cupcake candy. The soft, fluffy, pillowy, and entertainingly bouncy, beautiful pastel color marshmallow. They are perfect for a birthday party, Valentine's Day, baby shower, or even a wedding. You can use hand mixer to do this. However, stand mixer is the best choice in my opinion. It's safer since we are working with a really hot sugar syrup. Once you spoil yourself with a homemade version, you may never go back to store-bought again. So, are you ready to give marshmallow a try? Without further ado, let's hop into it. Because marshmallow sets really quickly, it's a good idea if we can prepare all things that we need in advance. So here I've got my lovely mixer, 3 spatulas, 1 extra bowl, some silicone cupcake molds, 2 piping bags with big round and star nozzle, red and blue food coloring, sifter for the coating, and the most important thing is the candy thermometer to check the correct temperature. Or if you have infrared gun, this also works well. Another thing that we need to prepare is the coating mixture. Simply sift the icing sugar with some corn flour. You can grease the silicone molds with either baking spray, butter or oil for easy release. I just dusted the molds lightly with coating mixture. It just works great for me. Alright, all well prepared. Now we can start making our marshmallow batter. To bloom our gelatin, sprinkle the gelatin powder over 80 grams of cold water. Give a little stir and let them sit for about 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, in a medium saucepan, combine the sugar, first batch of corn syrup, and 40 grams of cold water. Place your candy thermometer and then cook over medium heat until it reaches 116 degrees Celsius. It's really important not to take any further than that. Otherwise, you'll end up with chewing sugar syrup that's really hard to work with. When the thermometer starts to reach about 100 degrees Celsius, it's time to get other things ready. So I will microwave my bloom gelatin for 30 seconds so it will be liquid like this. Pour it into the mixture along with the second batch of the corn syrup. Then put your mixer on low speed just to keep it moving while waiting for the sugar syrup. Alright, that's 160 now. Take it out from the heat. Slowly and carefully drizzle your hot sugar syrup down the sides of the mixing bowl. Make sure that it doesn't touch the whisk. Once you add in all your sugar syrup, turn your mixer to medium speed and set your timer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will look pale and double in volume, but still too runny. So we need to speed up for another 2 minutes. Now is the best time to add any flavor you want. Vanilla is my favorite. Yes, I think it's ready. The consistency is thicker than before. It's similar to meringue, but with a bit of elasticity. We need to work fast before the marshmallow starts to set hard. So I will divide the mixture into 2 equal portions. Color one batch with blue and another one with pink. Mix well. Then pop the pink mixture into a piping bag with a star nozzle. And for the blue color mixture, we need to keep it stays liquid so it can fill up the entire space inside the mold. Otherwise, you will end up with something like this, which is kinda weird. For this matter, I found that the double boiler method helps a lot. So what I usually do is I place the bowl over the hot pot. By doing this, the steam stays trapped between the 2 pots will heat the marshmallow and liquefy the mixture. Keep stirring until you get the desired consistency. This looks fine for me. I will pour the mixture into a piping bag. Divide the mixture into 5 cavities of the molds evenly. Then working quickly, pipe the pink swirls mixture on top of the blue base mixture. Feel free to use any nozzle or design you want. And before the marshmallow sets hard, you can place or sprinkle some sugar decoration to make it more pretty. Oh, I love these tiny silver dredges so much. After finished with all the design, let the marshmallow sit uncovered at room temperature for at least 2 hours before coating. If you make this on a rainy day, they tend to take a little bit longer to set, unless you can place them in an air-conditioned room to speed up the process. It's time to pop out our marshmallow. Dust the work surface with generous amount of the coating mixture. You may need to apply some on your hands as well. Then carefully peel the cupcakes mold. Pop the pretty marshmallow out of the mold. Give them a good dusting of coating mixture to cover completely. Then gently pick up the marshmallow. Pat the surface to remove excess coating. Oh, it really feels good. It's bouncy and the texture is so soft and pillowy. And if you still feel a bit too much coating, you can just brush it away, especially on the folding sections. Alright guys, our marshmallow cupcake candy is finished now. Look how lovely those are. It's time to have a bite. It's like nibbling on the cloud. It's much creamier in texture and a lot of better than store-bought kind. I do hope you get a chance to make this, cause there are really nothing more pleasurable than biting into a homemade marshmallow. If you do in love with marshmallow, check out my other Doraemon marshmallow recipe. Please stay healthy and safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone!